Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at an electronic piano keyboard designed specifically with beginners in mind. This is the BABYCE 88-key electric piano, and right away, one of the standout features is its build quality. It boasts an aluminum alloy body, which gives it a sturdy feel, something you don't always find in keyboards aimed at this price point or skill level. Having 88 keys is crucial for anyone serious about learning piano, as it provides the full range of a standard acoustic piano, allowing beginners to practice proper fingering and scale work across the entire spectrum. The BABYCE keyboard is packed with features intended to help new players learn and grow. It comes with 40 demo songs, which are great for listening and playing along, giving learners exposure to different musical styles. Beyond that, it offers a substantial library of 128 rhythms and 128 timbres. This variety allows beginners to experiment with different sounds and backing tracks, making practice sessions more engaging and less repetitive. It's designed to help beginners absorb a rich amount of musical knowledge and build those fundamental standard skills. Practical tools for learning are also included. There's a built-in metronome, which is absolutely essential for developing a sense of rhythm and timing. The transpose function is handy for playing songs in different keys without having to relearn the fingering. The dual keyboard feature is fantastic for teaching, allowing an instructor or parent to play alongside the student on the same instrument, perhaps demonstrating a part or playing a duet. Sustain is a key element of piano playing, and this keyboard supports it, including a 3.5mm interface for a sustain pedal, which is often included or easily added. Connectivity is well covered for a beginner instrument. It has headphone and microphone inputs, allowing for quiet practice or even singing along. There's also an audio output, so you can connect it to external speakers or an amplifier if needed. A special feature mentioned is recording, which is invaluable for beginners to listen back to their playing, identify areas for improvement, and track their progress. Overall, this BABYCE 88-key electric piano seems well equipped to meet the needs of beginners, students, and adults who are just starting their musical journey, providing the necessary tools and features to master basic skills on a full-size keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.